remember me? My name is Vidya. I am back again. Today I will tell you about World Environment Day. World Environment Day comes at 5th June every year. The whole world has been celebrating World Environment Day since 1974. The theme for World Environment Day 2021 is Ecosystem Restoration. This year, Pakistan will host World Environment Day. Friends, do you know why do we celebrate World Environment Day? We celebrate World Environment Day to create awareness towards protection of our environment. Now friends, how can we protect our environment? There are many ways to protect our environment. First, we should do plantation. We should grow more and more trees. Oh, there's no one in the room when the lights are on. We should turn off the light when it's not unused to save electricity. Friends, see the tap is on. We should turn off the tap when it's not used to save water. Oh friends, we should recycle those things which are possible. Friends, we should not litter here and there. In fact, we can use dustbin. And we should not use plastic bottles or polythene. Those are very harmful things for us. Instead, we can use paper bags. So friends, in these ways, we can save our environment. Save what? Save environment. Thank you. Bye bye.